This is how to use Zoom Whiteboards in Canvas. So first, go to your Canvas course and click on Zoom. After you have integrated it into your settings, you'll see that it's associated with your course and that there's a link for whiteboards up in the top corner. You can add whiteboards here. These are specifically for your course. So we'll go ahead and add a new whiteboard to show you what it looks like. It always asks you with the new one if you want to look through the templates. You can choose a template, which I'm going to do here just for an example. So here's the template. You can change things as you wish once you get in there. So now that I have a template in Zoom, we're going to go into the Canvas Zoom link and start the meeting. It's going to open the Zoom app just like normal, and I'm going to look in my tools for the whiteboards and choose existing whiteboard. Then I'll go over to find my course and the template that I made before. This time I'm going to collaborate with students and open the board, and now everybody who joins this meeting is going to see this as a shared screen, and they can use all of the tools, just like this student is here, to make some edits. So I'm just going to stop this so that you can see that edits were made, and I'm going to end the meeting. And you'll see this is the Zoom app, and on the Whiteboards tab, you can see that that edit is saved there. It's also saved in the Canvas course on the whiteboards. This is saved for instructors and students. They do not have to be collaborating on a Zoom meeting to get into this whiteboard and continue making edits on it.